Hi, everyone. My name is Christina Kay. I'm a licensed real estate broker in South Carolina, serving both North and South Carolina in two separate capacities. But we are here with a Tupelo floor plan by Ryan Homes here at Lancy Farms in Pageland, South Carolina. As you enter into this model, you will see the first bedroom to your left. This bedroom is perfect for guests, an office, or even a nursery. From there, the home opens into an open concept with kitchen, dining, and living space. I know I'm moving fast, but this home is a ranch style home. So when you turn the corner, you will find the laundry facilities. We'll come back to the kitchen and dining area to give you a better look at it. From there, we'll walk straight into the owner's suite. The owner's suite, as you can see, is very spacious. It has a walk in closet and it has a private bathroom with a stand up shower. I know that tubs are becoming popular again, but this floor plan features the stand up shower and the dual vanity. As I mentioned, let's go back out and take a peek at the kitchen space again. It includes a large island, plenty of cabinet storage, and modern finishes, all flowing into the dining and family room. This open design makes it easy to stay connected, whether you're cooking, eating, or relaxing. We're back at the front door, so we're going to turn to our right at this moment, and there you'll see that shared bathroom that I mentioned, and then you'll see that secondary bedroom. This floor plan does feature a two-car garage, but it's being used as the sales office. There are South Carolina benefits for purchasing in this community. Let's take a tour.